Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, after completing FA3 exam, today I am going to teach you Unit 13, the poem The First Tooth, written by Charles and Mary Lamb. Children, in FA3 exam paper, I hope you all are submitted to school. Still, those who didn't submit, soon come and submit the UT books to school. Okay, so let's get started. Page number 98 in your textbook. The first tooth. 2 times I read the poem, then I will explain to you. Do you like an elder siblings or a younger one? Give at least 2 reasons for your answer and share your answers with the whole class. So children, this is your classroom work. You can do later. Now I am going to explain the poem. Through the house what busy joy, just because the infant boy has a tiny tooth to show, I have got a double row, all as white and all as small, yet no one cares of mine at all. He can say but half a word, yet that single sounds preferred to all the words that I can say in the longest summer day. He cannot walk, yet if he put with mimic motion out of his foot, as if he thought he were advancing, it's prized more than my best dancing. Children, I repeat once the poem, then I will explain to you about this poem. Through the house what busy joy, just because the infant boy has a tiny tooth to show, I have got a double row, all as white and all as small, yet no one cares of mine at all. He can say but half a word, yet that single sounds preferred to all the words that I can say in the longest summer day. He cannot walk, yet if he put with mimic motion out of his foot, as if he thought he were advancing, it's prized more than my best dancing. Written by Charles and Mary Lamb. Okay children, now I am going to explain you the poem. See children, do you have siblings means small younger brother at home means you can find out it. Through the house what busy joy. So all are busy for that your younger siblings or that poem here the poet is telling about the small boy. Just the elder one was busy, and not only elder one, whole house was busy for his naughtiness, just because the infant boy, one small baby, how he is making busy to all in the family members. Has a tiny tooth to show, one small tooth when start to grow, we can find out his tooth. No children, I have got a double row, not only one full row was one small tooth. All as white and all as small, not only small, that one white and small both. Yet no one cares of mine at all. But somebody was not observing, but someone observing. That elder one comparing his small and white tooth and their younger siblings tooth, one small, one tiny tooth. Yet a single rounds preferred, just one single round, not double. To all the words that I can say in the longest summer day. When he was started to grow the tooth, in that time only he was started to speak also few words. He cannot walk, yet if he put, but in that age he couldn't walk also. He is unable to walk, just crawling that age. With mimic motion out of his foot. Mimic motion means that we are pretending to walk him. Have to walk, but he was unable to walk. As he thought he was advancing, its prize more than my best dancing. So how he was started to walk like that elder one dancing, that situation only, that portion only. Okay. So this is the poem information. Now this is a work have to you do. What children? You have to learn the poem carefully And next one, I will give the page number 99, learn words. You have to learn the new words. And next, question corner. Choose the correct answer, children. Here, this is a poem about siblings. Who is speaking here? 3 options are there. The older siblings telling about the younger. Okay. Next, the speaker is a bit angry with his family because they don't love him much. They are paying all attention to the brother. What happened, children? That in the poem, nobody is watching or observing the older one. All are watching the younger, the small baby one, infant baby, for him only. What are the 3 things about the younger brother that the family appreciates so much? Choose 3 words from the list. Main 3 words I underlined: speech, teeth and movement. These 3 words are main important in this poem. Okay. Next, answer the following. I will send the PDF to you later. Turn the page, children. Third one, question answer. Don't run, only 1 and 2, question number 1 and 2 answer I will send you. Next, appreciation corner. This poem was written by the famous Lamb siblings, Charles and Mary Lamb. They both are siblings, the poet. Okay. You surely tell who speaker is this poem, is a boy or girl. So you can find out who is the boy, who is the girl. This is your own work. What you can do at home, homework. Note, often we cannot tell whether his speaker is a poem, is a poet himself or herself. To keep it simple, we take it that the poet has written what he or she wants to say. This is not others. This is what poet wants to say. That one only have to tell here. Next, the poet says that the child's single sound is preferred by the family to all the words that he can say in a long summer day. We have already learnt in our geography and science classes that summer days are very long. How many words do you think one can say in one summer day? What is the poet trying to say by using such as example? Ask your teacher to help you out discussing answer in class. So children, this is the class work you can do in your class when class will start. Next, have you experienced similar emotion like the poet experienced in this poem? Others experience you have to find out. Okay. Next, the poem has 14 lines. The rhymes seem yet simple. The last words 2 consecutive lines rhyme. For example, joy, boy, sorrow. Write down any other 5 pairs rhyming words. This one I will send you later. Next, children, creative corner, siblings on siblings. You can do at home, at your cell, work in group for 5. How many are siblings? Those who are siblings, write down at least 2 things about them. You can do at home when you come to school. When school will start, you can do at classroom also. Okay, I hope you can understand, children. Bye, children.